how to create consistent characters in Higgsfield AI. Once you are on the home page, you want to hover over character, and here you will see show ID character, create unique character. Now click on create character from here, and for best results you will need 20 plus photos from different angles. So here I have generated a simple man, so I'm gonna click on upload, and I asked ChatGPT to generate a man from different angles here, and I will upload these 20 images. Now once you have added your 20 images of that person, then here you can call him whatever. I'm just gonna call him John, something generic, and you can choose the model. So we're gonna do So 2.0, and you can select create here for 25 credits. Now once you click on create, then this is gonna be in queue here, and it is gonna take a little bit of time in order to generate your person. So I'm gonna pause, come back in a second, see what Higgsfield AI manages to come up with. Okay, so that took about 15 minutes and it's done. Here you can click on generate now, and it's gonna take us to this page and it's gonna give us this error. So I don't know why this happened. We're just going to refresh. Okay, and describe the scene that you can, or that you imagine. Make this person wave. So just like that, we're gonna generate it, and we are going to see what it comes up with. All right, so I was on the picture thingy. So make this person wave. Well, they turned him, or they gave him a wave rather, but that's how you do consistent characters. You need to use show ID character, give a bunch of different angles, and then that's how you get it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.